Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we'll be talking about how to calculate the value of a stock. This is a very crude way of calculating because it doesn't consider what the company future plans are, or what the company is going to do in the next few years. So this is just based on the past data and the average industry performance, right? But it will give you a temporary view of how the stock should be priced in today's market, right? So let me take an example. Let's say I talk about Nestle, right? So Nestle is a company which operates in FMCG sector, right? So if I want to price Nestle, I need to look at how the overall sector is doing, right? So we have talked about earlier in my videos, we have talked about the PE ratio, which is price to the earning ratio, right? Price is nothing but the market price of a stock divided by the earnings of the stock, right? Now, if I equate it to the industry PE, right, it should give me the expected value of the stock, right? So, for example, let's say if I talk about Nestle, there is some PE for the FMCG sector. Just for an example, just for calculation purpose, let's take that PE to be 50, right? So let's say the industry PE, the sector PE is 50, right? Now what I'll do is I'll equate this 50 to the price of the stock, which I don't know, which is my variable, which is X, divided by the expected earnings per share of the stock, right? So expected earnings per share, there are multiple ways to calculate expected earnings per share. You need to know, where, how the cash flows are going for the growing for the company. That is whole other topic. But in a very normal sense, let's say for this year, if I know what is the EPS, let's say for this year, I know what is the earnings per share, right? So what I will do, as soon as a company releases the EPS for this current year, I will divide. So my stock price X divided by the current EPS is equal to the industry P. This will give me the relative value of the stock. How valuable is the stock related to its sector, right? So that should give me a quite a good idea of whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued as compared to its peers. So this will give you a kind of an indication, and then you can take the call of investing, or maybe you can dig deeper into calculating the EPS for the future years. So this is how you calculate in a crude way the value of a stock. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Bye bye, and please subscribe to our channel.